Hi everyone. It was a great class yesterday. Everybody worked hard and um, I'll be marking those assessments and it's just great practicing. I think that this week you shouldn't have any trouble completing the work. I'm going to just go over what the assignments are. So the first part is the vocabulary journal, which again I explained in class, where you simply add entry, and I'll open it up just to see. This is the only thing you need to worry about. Just click add entry. And when you add the entry, you are going to write your new words here. The words come from the handout I gave in class, or the New Year's handouts, or it could come from this week's work. So just 3 to 5 sentences using the new vocabulary from the weekly assignments. Okay, so you might want to do that at the end of the week, actually. So next is the news. Listen to the news, and if I click on there, it should come up. You just click on the arrow to listen to the news, and you have the worksheet. I handed that out in class. If you weren't in class, you'll have to pick it up on Saturday next week and finish that assignment late. And then, okay, so then Canadian Health listening practice. This is what we call Edpuzzle for those of you who are new. You're going to click on the link here and go to the link, sign in as a student, and you need to have a Google account, I believe. And then you're going to enter the class code here, okay, if they ask it for the class code. And then you're going to listen to the video, and there are questions, and I will automatically get your responses. Let me know if you have any difficulty signing in. And again, it's Edpuzzle. Oh, did I not write it? Yes, no, I didn't. So you're going to go into Edpuzzle. Oh, actually, if you click the link, it will take you right there. Okay, going back to the web page. After that, there's a listening on sleep patterns, and then, oh, I'll just show you that because it's the same. Oh no, sorry, that was my other class. Basically, you're doing the listening, clicking here, and then you're going to read through it, and it goes all the way down to the bottom. But at the top here, oh, sorry, it's at the bottom. At the bottom, oh no, sorry, it's not here. Ah, yes, up here. So that's the script. The vocabulary's here to study. And then the quiz is here. Okay, so there's a listening quiz as well after you've done the vocab and the script. Okay, so that's another listening. We're focusing on listening this week because we're going to have a listening assessment. So we need to practice. This is a discussion, answer the questions, respond to other students. This is a reading. There are 3 activities, complete all 3. And these 2 are grammar. This one is a study sheet, and this is a practice activity. Okay, remember, if you have anything you want to share with other students, you can post it in the general discussion forum. You can email me, and you can send messages on the website. And you can always email your colleagues, or classmates, I should say. All right, have a great week, everyone. And don't forget to do the video on the side, which is pronunciation practice, ED endings.